The first step is to take apart the blade. Here we remove the screws and the panel board. Now we can take the panel board off. The next step is to remove the screws holding the hashing boards to the heatsink. Now we can remove the hashing boards by slightly sliding it off the heatsink and lifting up from the edge. The next step is to remove the thermal paste from the edges of the heatsink. We take off about 15 millimeters at the top and 1 to 2 millimeters on the sides. Now we file the edges and make sure that it is smooth. Next, we will apply the high temperature insulation tape. This is applied at the top of the blade. Now we will need to reassemble the blade. Start by placing the hashing boards back onto the heatsink. And now we will be putting the screws back on to hold the hashing board to the heatsink, leaving the very top hole next to the connectors empty. Finally, we put the panel board back on and secure it with the screws. The repair is now complete. Notice that there are no screws on the very top row.